Hey there, I'm Kym Tolson, LCSW. I try to guide you through all things private practice, especially new technology and innovative things that are coming up in our field. As a therapist who's been through the grind, I'm all too familiar with the administrative tasks that can make our job seem overwhelming. I have some great news for you. Today, we're going to explore a game changer for your therapy practice. It's called ChatGPT. It's a tool powered by artificial intelligence or AI. You've probably heard of AI before, perhaps in the context of high-tech companies or groundbreaking research, but AI just isn't for tech giants or scientists anymore. It's a tool that can work wonders in any field, including ours, especially when it comes to administrative tasks. AI can really be a game changer. It can automate those mundane, time-consuming activities and free you up to focus on your clients or give you more free time, the most important thing. AI, it sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it is actually real. It's here. It's making a difference in various fields, including therapy. From optimizing schedules to drafting notes, AI can automate tasks and free up precious time that we all need. So now let's talk about ChatGPT, the star of our show today. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI that's been trained to understand and generate human-like text. So picture this. Instead of staring at a blank screen, trying to remember the specific details of each client session from the day, you can provide ChatGPT with a basic outline and it'll help you write out really detailed notes. This is the kind of practical help that can make your day-to-day work just go by so much smoother. So ChatGPT isn't just about transcribing notes or writing up reports. It can be a creative partner, really helping you to brainstorm ideas, develop treatment plans, and even craft out emails or responses to people you need to get back to in the courts or wherever. Social Security, disability. It's as flexible as you need it to be, always there to assist you with your work in your private practice. So, of course, as therapists, our priority is always our clients' well-being and privacy. And you might be wondering, how can we ensure confidentiality when using AI tools like ChatGPT? The good news is that OpenAI has designed ChatGPT with privacy in mind. It doesn't remember the conversations that it has, nor does it store personal data from the conversation. And furthermore, by making sure to de-identify your client's information before you input it, you are already adding another layer of security. So to sum that up, using AI tools like ChatGPT can revolutionize your practice. It's like having an intelligent assistant that's available 24/7, helping you to be more efficient and effective in your work while always keeping privacy and confidentiality in mind. So remember, the best way to get the most out of these tools is to really understand how they work and how to use them effectively. And that's where my course, Revolutionize Your Private Practice with AI, comes in. I'm excited to guide you on this journey and explore all the opportunities that AI can offer for private practices. So now I just want to delve in a little bit deeper into what AI can really do for you as a therapist. So let's take, for instance, the time-consuming task of writing notes, progress notes. The AI tools like ChatGPT, you don't have to stress over remembering every single detail from your sessions. By providing the tool with a basic outline, it can assist in writing up really comprehensive notes, ensuring accuracy while also saving you tons of time. So no more late nights trying to catch up on your paperwork. It's amazing. I can't even express how much I love this. AI isn't just useful for drafting progress notes, it's also a fantastic resource for brainstorming treatment plans, constructing thoughtful responses to clients, and even drafting professional emails. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to jump in and help no matter what the task is at hand, and they're like so quick. So all of these can significantly decrease your administrative load, leaving you with more time for client care and for your own personal growth, whatever that might be. So you might be wondering, with all this automation, what about the personal touch, that human element that is so crucial in our field? Like, we need to be able to use our clinical judgment when we're writing progress notes or treatment plans. I hear this question a lot. That really is where AI can surprise us. Tools like ChatGPT are incredibly advanced. They're capable of generating human-like text. It can learn from you. You can teach it how you want it to talk and think. You can make it think like the type of therapist that you are. And I know that's hard to believe, but it's absolutely true. This means you can maintain a personal and genuine tone in your interactions with the AI and still really see your own personality and style come alive in the documents and things that you're creating with ChatGPT. AI is the future of private practice and of the way we do therapy and our administrative tasks. And the best part is it's here right now, ready for us to use. So to navigate this exciting frontier, I developed a comprehensive course, Revolutionize Your Practice with AI. I'm excited to guide you through the process of integrating AI into your practice, enhancing your efficiency, and free up more time for you to truly have more time to focus on your clients and the rest of your life, not bogged down in documentation and paperwork. Remember those late night sessions struggling with paperwork, that frustrating search for the right words while trying not to say too much or say it the wrong way in case somebody ever subpoenas the records? Say goodbye to all that. AI, particularly ChatGPT, is about to become your new best friend. I'm not kidding. I use this for everything I do. It's time to embrace the future of therapy, and it's time to allow AI and specifically ChatGPT to revolutionize your practice, to become your new best friend in the world of private practice. And the best part is I'm here to guide you every step of the way with my course, Revolutionize Your Private Practice with AI, designed specifically to help therapists transition smoothly into this new frontier. ChatGPT really is a game changer for your practice. That's why I had to create this course. That's why I had to make this video. I want everyone to know about it. It takes the pressure off your shoulders, gives you more time and headspace to focus on your clients. And it might seem like a complex tech tool, but it's actually really user-friendly. In my course, I go through how to do prompts and templates and progress notes and how to protect patient health information, PHI, how to remain HIPAA compliant, but still get the maximum effectiveness out of using ChatGPT in your private practice. Now, we are not about to let technology undermine our responsibilities. Instead, we're going to use it to uphold our commitment to our clients while also making our lives a little bit easier. I know that the heart of therapy is human connection, understanding, and empathy, really elements that a machine cannot replace. However, you can use it to handle those repetitive, mundane tasks that eat into your time and energy. That time and energy that's better spent interacting with your clients or learning new skills or hanging out with your family or just having some downtime and some fun. By taking over administrative tasks such as scheduling and note-taking, AI tools like ChatGPT empower us to focus on our core purpose as therapists, providing high-quality, compassionate care to our clients. In that way, we're not just preserving our commitment to our clients, we're enhancing it, in my opinion. This is a controversial topic, but I feel really strongly that this tool can just really change your life for the better. I don't believe AI is going to replace us as therapists in our professional role. Rather, it's going to expand our capabilities and allow us to be better therapists. It's going to allow us to optimize our time, deliver faster services, more efficient services, but most importantly, give you the opportunity to enhance your interactions with your clients. You know, I've sat and said, okay, I have a client that is really upset about the news media right now. Give me 5 clinical interventions I can use with this client right now to see immediate results. And it spits them out for you. And you could choose the ones that seem appropriate for your client. It's amazing. You can then say, please put this into a treatment plan format, make it measurable, make it specific, and make it meet medical necessity requirements for the insurance companies. You can literally tell it that. And my course goes over that in great detail. But that's how easy it is. You hit enter and you've got it, just spits it right out for you. And it's not personalized so much to a client that you're violating HIPAA or sharing too much with ChatGPT. So I hope you'll check out the course. If you don't, start using AI in your private practice. You are going to be amazed at the potential of AI and what it has waiting for you. It's your turn to step into the future of therapy, and I'm here to guide you along that journey. And that brings us to the end of this journey today. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the amazing possibilities that AI can bring to your private practice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Your support spreads the word about powerful tools like this and how they can transform our profession. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. This way you won't miss out on any upcoming content designed to help you navigate the world of AI and therapy. Also, insurance billing in your private practice and traveling the world as a digital nomad. All three are my specialties. So I'm excited to watch this video. I hope it helps. I hope it gives you lots of ideas, and I hope it cuts your administrative time in half.